No. It's track 1, track 11, and track 12. Those songs speaks about how I am and who I am, which is you can be signed to another label, which is Gab Records, but still drop under your own label, which is Talon Entertainment with Empire. You can do anything. Just she complains
But-
about sleeping alone, bro. That's it.
mfethu lo muntu lona kungashaya o3 engakafika empedeni usestudio ngingedwa ngithi mangithi empedeni ngiyaphuluza akunamuntu
Hebe usuku olukhulu kakhulu esanibingelela ke lana kumculo online kama lamandile Gumbu somkhandi makhandakhani simanga somfana sonto resort. Ake ngisamusho ke ngizomnika ithuba naye ukuthi azisho ukuthi ubani. Saba nobala.
Sanibona bafethu kama ngoxolisa Talon semabalabala umfana sithi drinking uphuma phansi emnabili kwafilebelo kwafana simdoza phansi kwedaba sikanini mesedelelile umfana. Sanibona bafethu umculo online uStallion lo.
Hayi ke nje bese nizwele ke Stallion the one and only. But omdala hayi ngizwele nje kuthiwa incwadi yeBhayibheli lesevula namhlanje. Wena ubona kanjani?
Angeke wabona ngithini ngoba nama ngazi konke sekukuNkulunkulu mfowethu ukuthi usenza kanjani or uyishare kanjani nabantu lento esiyenzile njengoba kuyena ongithumile uthi mfowethu njengoba abantu bengazwani emhlabeni hamba bahlanganisa benza into eyodwa. It's pretty much what I did, so it's all up to God now, man.
Awuzweke it's all up to God. But omdala you've done something engazi yenziwe ukuhlanganisa abantu abaqhamuka manje eqaleni abase center abakudala nabonke. Yeah, umtholo. So how did that come into mind? Nanokuthi ukuze sifike la sifike khona kufike kanjani lonke lokho emqondweni?
Mfowethu angifuni uqamba banga ukuthi ngangineplan angazi ngibe nalo, but the person mhlambe ongabe ukhona right now ngimbonanga namhla I think akekho uSemtuba, which is my brother Siyantuli, is the one who said Stallion, which is people don't know that Siyantuli is a producer too. Yeah. Big Zulu is a producer too. Big Zulu produced 2 songs on that album. Siyantuli produced about I don't know any wafaka ama-backing ngalezo ngoma lezo. So Siyantuli is my brother, is the one who said let's create something like this. Ukwenza ingoma esaqala ngayo ukuyenza ile noBabheka uMozuluthulu. Zonke lezi ngizaselandela, but it was the idea yam no Siyantuli, which is my brother. I'm so like happy that I have that person obelieve like him. The way ngiyifan yakhe mina ngakhona uswear ukuthi lo madudu lowo yabheda. Wait, I'm a fan of Siyantuli 100%. I'm a fan of Big Zulu and Siyantuli. Me and Siyantuli created this, but akekho la right now because it was my album. We also created Siyantuli's album, which is coming out. One song of Siyantuli is out. I'm a Pico featuring Big Zulu. Let's get it. You know what I mean?
Let's get it for real. So if we look at the album, you have 12 songs, right? So which song from the entire album speaks about the album and that reflects you?
It's the intro that praises who Stallion is, who he is, and also the outro.